Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, so guys, I know most of you asking yourselves, oh, are the protests still going on? Yes guys, the protests are still going on in Serbia, and one good news that I want to tell you is that the protests are very peaceful, and if you're planning to travel to Serbia, you can go ahead and travel to Serbia. Serbia is very, very safe. The protests are very, there's no violence. Protests are very peaceful, and if you're planning to submit in your applications, you can go ahead and submit in your applications. Okay, so guys, today I want to share with you with something I think I've never shared with you before, and I felt like I think my viewers need to know this. Okay, so guys, I want to share with you with how does when you've submitted in your visa application on welcome to serbia.gov.rs.gov. well, once you're submitting your application, how does it look like when your visa is under process? How does it look like when your visa is rejected, and how it looks like when your visa is approved? Okay, because I know most of you ask yourselves question, oh my god, when will the status change? You keep on checking on the system, in my request, oh my god, when will the status change? And if it changes, how will it look like? How will I know I've been approved or I have been rejected? And if the visa is under process, how do I know? Okay, so that's the information that I'm going to share with you today. So stay tuned, let's go. So guys, I'm in the system. Remember I told you at this moment you've already submitted in your application. Okay, so we are going to check when is the visa under process. Okay, so here I've already logged in and I have an account already. So just you to know, you must have an account already for you to see all this. So guys, this is home page, visa C, visa D, and my request. So depends on which visa you applied for. So just to show you around. So guys, for you to track your visa or to see the status of your visa, for now we are going to see the first step when the visa is under process. Okay, but before heading to process, when you submit your visa application, it starts with visa application or request submitted. So when it's reviewed and everything is okay, then the update will change. So for now I'm going to show you when you submitted what, and it is reviewed and everything is okay, how does it look like? Okay, so I'm going to go to my request. Remember, when you're tracking your application, you have to go in my request. You have to go right here. So I'm going to click right here and let's go. So when I click right here, so you see that everything was okay. The submissions were okay. Everything, all the documentation were okay. The embassy accepted everything is okay and approved it for further process. Okay, so when everything is okay, your request status, your status will look like this, request processing. You understand, guys? So once everything is okay, you've submitted all your paperwork is okay, then you system will turn to be like, it will be like this: request processing. You understand, guys? Yeah. So because it had all this, but everything was okay, and everything was cleared, and so I hope I'm clear with that. Okay, guys? Yes. So guys, we are done with the request processing. Like when you've submitted and your visa is being, you've given a status update of about request processing. That means everything is okay and your visa is under process. Okay, and you are waiting for two things: either approved or rejected. Okay, so guys, here I ask you, what do you want me to give you first? Do you want to see, or do you want to hear the good news or the bad news first? What do you want to hear first? Visa approved or visa rejected? So guys, anyway, putting jokes aside, I think I will start with the visa. Tell me, what do you want to hear first? Approved, rejected? Anyway, I will start with the good news, because everyone, whenever applying or submitting in for our visa applications, we are of course expecting good news, not so? So yes, I'm going to start with the good news when the visa is approved. Okay, so let's jump into the video. Yes, so guys, I'm now in the system, and we are going to check how it looks like when the visa is approved. The news that everyone is always waiting for, the news that everyone is always eager in seeing, okay, when you submit your visa application. Yes, so right now I'm in the system, and we are going to check my request, and we check how it looks like. And guys, I pray that you guys get that same thing, So guys, I'm into my request, and I'm going to open into my request, and we see how visa approved looks like. Yeah, so here I open. Yes, so guys, when the visa is approved, this is how it looks like. The status turns to be request approved. Congratulations. And guys, yeah, I pray that all of you that have submitted, you get something like this. I pray that you get something like this in your visa application. And yeah, I want to congratulate you earlier. Congratulations. Okay, guys, so the status turned to be green, so yeah, I want to congratulate you earlier. Congratulations. Yeah, so guys, this is how it looks like when your visa is approved. So don't sit there and wait and be like, oh my god, how will it be look like when my visa is approved? And when your visa is approved, you still get the same message on your email, because they communicate to you on the system, and they communicate to you on your email, and you're being asked to submit your passport to the embassy. You understand, guys? So this is what people get when the visa is approved. I had to start with visa approved because that's what everyone is waiting for. That's what everyone, when you submit for your visa application, that's what everyone is eagering to getting. Okay, guys, so I'm going to end with a bad news, which is how is it look like when your visa is rejected. Okay, yeah, so let's go. When the visa is rejected or refused, this is how it looks like. When you check in my request status, under status, you'll see that the visa is rejected, or the status has turned into red. Okay, so this means that the visa has been rejected or refused. And you get, like I said, you get the same response on your email. They communicate to you in 2 ways, on the portal and onto the email. I hope I'm clear with that. So, because when it is rejected or refused, at the end of that day you can appeal, okay? Maybe something went wrong, maybe you submitted something not right, okay? So when it is rejected or refused, it is also an opportunity for you to appeal and hope for the green light. Yes, so guys, that's it with our video. I hope you've seen and learned how it looks like when the visa is when, like, the different statuses you get on the portal when you've submitted in your visa application. When your visa is when you've submitted, how the status turn. When your visa is rejected or refused, how the status turn. And when your visa is approved, how the status looks like, okay? And yes, I want to congratulate all of you in advance, and those that have gotten their visas still, congratulations. Yes, so guys, in conclusion, I want to say that basing on the visa expatriates, yes, they are saying that the visa applications are not being affected by the protests, okay? The protests in Serbia are very peaceful and very safe, okay? Though, yes, you can't go, it's not, yes, they are safe, but I would not advise you guys to take participation, okay? So, yes, you can still go ahead and submit your visa applications. It is okay. And yes, though I might say that they can be a little bit delayed. I don't want to say that protests might delay. Maybe yes, maybe no. But yes, we can put it in that way since they are still ongoing, okay? So yes, I want to wish all of you safe trips and safe journeys, those that got their visas approved. Yes, safe journeys to Serbia, and enjoy Serbia, okay? So guys, that's it with today's video. If you have any questions for me, let me know in the comment section. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye, ciao.